Hey everyone, Tessa here. Although I've purchased these products, I have partnered with the sellers and may receive an extra commission. So let's dive in. Before we get into this, I just want to let you know that I have been teaching swim for over 12 years now, and I am in the pool 4 hours a day, 5 days a week. And because of it, my hair is a disaster. It is beyond help. I thought, you know what, maybe I should really try to do something about my hair because it really is horrible. And this is when I came up with this. And so after I shampoo my hair, I do 2 conditioners. So I use this one. It's a 3-minute deep conditioner, which I just use after I shampoo with a really nice shampoo. That's another video. And then I get out of the shower and then I use the leave-in conditioner. And I love this so much. My hair feels like I just did this last night, and it feels really soft. And it really does make a difference. When I was using just regular, more affordable type products, it was horrible. My hair was not as nice as this. Let's start with this one. So you get in the shower after you shampoo, you put this in, you leave it in for 3 minutes. Oh, it smells so nice. And I'm just gonna, I do a couple of pumps. I'm just gonna do one right now just to show you. It's really thick. It's so thick. Oh, and it smells so nice. Oh, I love it. I had to go get that off my hands. Anyway, I'm back. And so I just put it all through my hair. I just get it all in there, leave it in for 3 minutes. And then when I get out of the shower, I just brush it and it's all nice and detangled. And then I use the leave-in conditioner because, believe me, my hair needs to be double conditioned. And this smells so nice too. Let's see. Oh, I love it. So I take a little bit on the ends of my fingertips like this. It's like that. And then I'll just start at the ends and go through, and then I get a little bit more of the same amount, do the other side, and then I'll get a little bit more and go over the top and then just go through with my fingers and just get it all in there. It says to comb it through after you do that, but I did try doing that once, and then you just get all of this stuff. It's in the comb or the brush, whatever you use, so I didn't really like that about it, so that's why I brush my hair first after I condition with the Aussie conditioner, and then I get out, and then it's all detangled. And then I add the leave-in and I leave it in, and it really has made a difference. Like I said, it feels better for sure. It feels healthier. It feels more nourished. I'm really pleased with these products and I highly recommend them.